Ceramic tiles are part of our heritage and our future. But to keep our Mediterranean as we know it, the industry must evolve. Traditional manufacturing is energy-intensive, but a revolution is beginning. This journey is a collaboration across borders. 6 countries and 7 partners leading the change. This project is a collective effort to scale up a revolutionary technology that protects our environment, designed to slash energy demand by up to 35% and minimize greenhouse gas emissions. By aligning with the European Green Deal, we are ensuring the Mediterranean tile sector remains competitive and green. Our focus is on resource efficiency, reducing water and raw material consumption by up to 20%. We are replacing critical materials with local alternatives, fostering a truly circular economy across borders. Through this network, we are turning research into real-world solutions for manufacturers and policymakers. Together, we are building a more sustainable industry, one tile at a time. Together, we are scaling up its semi-wet granulation technology. It's a smarter way to produce porcelain tiles that aligns with the European Green Deal and UN Sustainable Development Goals.
Semi-wet milling is the heart of INNOVATILE technology. Unlike traditional method based on wet milling, we manage water and raw materials separately to save energy. We work in 3 stages. First, we mill non-plastic minerals in a wet environment for efficiency. Second, we prepare the clay in a plunger to control its behavior perfectly. Finally, we mix this with dry powder. This reduces the total volume of water to be evaporated in the spray dryer.
This innovation is a game changer. We expect to reduce energy demand and greenhouse gas emissions by up to 35%. We're also cutting water and raw material use by 20%, and even replacing critical materials like feldspar with local alternatives. But INNOVATILE is more than just tech. We are creating the Hypocarbon Tile Tech Network, a platform where students, researchers, and industry leaders collaborate on renewables, circular economy, and waste management. From pilot testing to new policy documents for public authorities, we are ensuring a long-lasting impact. A more sustainable Mediterranean starts with INNOVATILE. Visit us to join the transition.